Hey guys, it's Cal here, and welcome back to more Super Mario 64 Star Hunting. In the last episode, we did the boss battle. In this episode, we're gonna be finding some more stars, and hopefully do the Bowser battle too. And we're doing this with all the cheats on. So probably in this episode, I'll download some more cheats, or So this is the cheats I have right now. So Mario's cap is loose. We have 100 lives. So I'm not going to a Big Bomb Land. If we I think we have to go to a Pacific World. But if we press F9, we'll get 225 coins. So we're gonna go down to the basement and we're gonna do a star.
Hey, look.
Come on, why is this like the first time I've been in? Why is it acting like this the first time I've been down there? Oh, I think maybe because we haven't got a star on here yet. So we're gonna go to the first stage, which is Hazy Mazy Cavey. So first things first, there's a bunny down here. I'm gonna catch it real quick. I'm finna catch it real quick. I'm finna catch it real quick. I'm finna catch it. Alright, come back here, come back here, come back here. Come back here, come back here. No, do not enter that world. No, come on. Where's the buddy? Come on. Oh god. Oh, it tricked me. You know what? Don't see done with this. I'm gonna get it back. This means war. And we're going into Hazy Mazy Cavey. Always actually call it Hazy Mazy Cave. So yeah. So on this side we have to make a long jump, which I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Woo. Nice. So we're gonna do the star with that has the sea monster in there, which I like to call it Dory. I think it's his name. Oh shoot! I hate those things. Did I just went past them? Did I just really went past them? Dang! I just went past them like a boss. Dang! Wow. So what's in here? A 1-up for me? Thank you. Oh shoot. Dang. But guess what? I'm gonna press F9 and give you 100 coins. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Oh, I thought my 1, 2, 3. No. Where's my coins? Where are my coins? Where are my freaking coins? I'm supposed to have 120. Hold on, get off me. So we have to swim. Alright, so we have to swim through this thing. What is it? It's a I do not know what it is. It's a bird. It's a plane. Oh no, it's not. Okay, so I mean, it's a bird. It's a plane. It's neither.
Hey, do you see me?
Oh shoot! Dang it! So you have to get on top of his head so he'll lean his head down and eventually get the star. Oh shoot! So once you get on his head, you have to get on his head. So oh god, where is it going? Where is it going? Alright, we're gonna go back to the water. Swimming through the deep sea. Oh shoot. I didn't mean to go under the thing. Oh shoot. Come on. Oh god. No. Come on. I don't want to waste my time here. Come on, Dory, help me. Help me out here. Help me out here, Dory. Help me out. Alright, let me try to go and see if I can do it myself. No, I can't. So I actually need to ride on the thing. Oh god. Unless I have the metal cap. Then that makes the star easier. But Dory is just won't be no help at all. It help us get the star. It is no help. It's no help. It's no use. It's just floating there. It's just floating there. Just. Okay, now it's turning around. No. Come on. No. Oh God. All right. No. Come on. All right, it's turning back around. I hope it doesn't waste all our time, because you have like a couple of minutes to record. So, dang it! Oh shoot! We were almost there. We have to go on Dory real quick. Alright, come on, Dory. Don't film me now, Dory. Dory, no. Dory, good dinosaur. Dang! Oh my god. What the freak? I cannot freaking get on Dory. Hey, what the freak? Alright, it's turning around. Wait. What is Dory doing? Alright, we gotta wait. A little bit until it turns around. Okay, so alright, so what the freak?
You see what happened?
Alright, so we can actually control her. Hold on. Yes, you can use it.
Yay.
Alright, so we can actually control Dory. Now, I did not know that. Now, I do not know how to get up there. Come on, Dory. Alright. Oh, come on. No. Dang. I cannot. Alright, come on, Dory. There we go. Woo!
Whoa, that doesn't look good. No, not you. Ordinary fuels can clog your engine with dirt. It's like lugging this around. It's dragging down your fuel economy. But over time, using new and improved BP gasoline with Invigorate helps clean up that dirt, like hundreds of scrubbing brushes. So that
wow.
you get more miles per tank.
Where am I?
New BP gasoline with Invigorate.
I'm in a world. I'm in a strange world. Well, I do not know where the heck I am. Oh shoot. Dang. Wow. I do not. So basically, I do not know what we just did there. I did not know what the heck did we just do there. So I forgot the stars we have to do in this one. So I'm pretty much clueless. Yeah. Alright. Okay, thank you. Alright, now I was talking to Caleb. Alright, so we have to go back up top. Woo! Dang, that was no help. I'm just. Wow. Just wow. No. Oh God. No. Come on. Stop it. Stop it. Hold on, stop. Oh, come on. They won't stop. They will not freaking stop. No. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Alright. Flip me now. Woo. Alright. Okay, that was too close. That was too close to the edge. No. Alright. Flip me now. Crap. You have to get a little bit closer. Alright. Flip me now. Oh shoot. At least you have that don't hit Mario cheat. What the? Oh shoot. Oh God. They won't stop throwing me everywhere. Oh my God. Oh my freaking gosh. This dude would never learn. The cheesy days, they never learn. Thank you. No. Alright, good. We dodged the fire. Wow. Just wow. Now, I'm gonna move this thing. So this is coins. Alright. Ah! No. Nope. Alright, so I do not know what we're doing. So I'm gonna just go up here. I'm gonna just go up top, because I do not know what we're doing. For this one, I do not know what we're doing. It's Japanese, and this is Super Mario 64 version, and I have no idea what we're doing. So maybe we could do this. Alright, so this is actually... Alright. Wait a minute, this is the only stage you have to go to? Alright. Alright, I do not know what we're doing. This is crazy. Blue sky. 1. No! Dang, nope. Do something else. Oh, these are the only things we could do. In the fall. What is this one? Oh. This one. Oh God. Oh crap. Oh, it's this one. Oh, come on. No. We need the metal cap. We need the metal cap for this one. Get away from me. Alright. What the freak? Ah, dang. Alright, good. Yeah.